Hi guys, Andrew here from Life on Pig Row. Today we're in the greenhouse and it's after the autumn equinox, and after the autumn equinox nothing we can do about it. The days are getting darker, we're heading towards winter and Christmas. And we need to start clearing the greenhouse. There's no getting away from it, and that means stripping the tomato plants. So today that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at our tomato plants and see what's worked and what hasn't worked this year. But let's have a look. So as you can see, plenty of red tomatoes coming, but you can also start to see that the plants are starting to stress a little bit because the sunshine is going down and they're struggling, and it's really time to pull them off. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to pull all the red tomatoes and green tomatoes off. So to do this, all you need is a bowl. And then we're going to go in and we're literally just going to work from the bottom, which is the hardest bit for me, up. And you don't have to be soft and gentle with the tomatoes. You can just grab them and start pulling them off. Green ones, red ones. If you're struggling, use a pair of secateurs or a knife, but they'll come off. So as you can see, they're coming off quite easily. I like to tell you what variety this is, but I can't remember. That's the problem. Sometimes you put a label in the border, and when you're working in the border, you break it and you knock it off and you don't know what you've got anymore. What have we got? We've got really, really ripe tomato, so that's for eating. We have semi-ripe, so it's turning red and will probably turn red indoors. And then finally we have green, a little green one, and you're wondering what to do with these. Well, you take the semi-ripe one and the green one, there we go, and you put them together on a windowsill, and the miracle is that this will go red. So that's our final picking. As you can see, that's not a tomato, and neither is this one here, which is a round courgette that's got a hand. So obviously I'm going to use these in cooking. I think I'm going to do a recipe with them probably next week to show you how to store them and use them over winter. So that's it from me and the greenhouse today. Going to carry on picking the tomatoes, and then I'm going to take them into the house, like I said, and I'm going to use them. And that's the great thing about this time of year: use your tomatoes, because this is the final few weeks in which you're going to be able to pick them out of your greenhouse. When the first frost hit, that's it. And because we're quite high up on the Pennines, we know frost is coming. We can see it. We're getting more condensation. It's getting cooler and cooler at night. And certainly my pumpkins that are outside, again, have failed. And I've got no pumpkins, and the foliage is already turning brown from the cold. So that's one miserable way to end the film. But on a positive side, positive side, look at my courgette. Until next time, bye bye.